Welcome back to Clark's Star Culinary. I am back fulfilling another request, buttermilk biscuits. Let's go. Start by sifting our dry ingredients. We need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. And now we're just gonna get these ingredients sifted. Easy enough. Before we go any further, we're going to mix the dry ingredients up just to make sure everything is evenly distributed. We're going to add 1 stick of salted butter, cold from the refrigerator, cut up into small cubes. And now we're just going to get in here and work the flour into the butter. You just pinch it between your fingers. And this part will take a little time, but it's worth it. I'm pretty much done with this. I'm just gonna feel through here, make sure that I don't have any large pieces of butter still in the flour. If you're using an unsalted butter, you'll want to add a ½ teaspoon of salt. So we're good here. This is light and fluffy, ready to be made into biscuits. We're adding 2/3 cup of buttermilk, and I bought a ½ gallon, so I think we'll be doing some of the recipe with some buttermilk, or I will just have to sip on it. Let's mix this in. I think I'm just gonna get in here with my hand and work that in here. That just works a lot better for me. Just work that buttermilk right on through that flour. Let's start getting this dough ball formed here. This dough turned out really lovely. We're gonna roll it out and get these biscuits made. Put some flour down on your work surface. Put your dough down and just sprinkle a little flour on top, just a little. If you have any more, you can just put the rest on the counter. And we're gonna very gently roll this out. You don't wanna put a lot of pressure on it, just a gentle roll. Roll and rotate, roll and rotate. And we want to roll these out to where they'll be about a ½ inch thick. And you'll need something to cut your biscuits out with. You can use a cup or anything that you have. You can make them large or small. And just go in and press your biscuit out. It's very nice. Perfect size biscuit. When you have extra dough, try to dust off that excess flour a little bit. Just pat it together again until it gets tacky. Lay it back down on your work surface. Put a little flour on there. And let's gently roll this out again. We should be able to get 2 more biscuits out of this piece, which I think I'm about right. Yep, 1 more biscuit here. This recipe yielded me 8 nice-sized biscuits. Now we're off to the oven. Allow the biscuits to cook on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes on the bottom rack and 15 minutes on the top rack. Once they're finished, brush them with warm melted butter. And our biscuits are ready. I'm gonna open this one up so you all can see the glory. Look at that, it's ready for your jam, ready for your sausage, ready for anything that you want. I hope you all really enjoyed this biscuit recipe. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye.